Ooh. And then right behind it we got another blue Toyota. Ooh, spotted another Toyota. Oh, there's one of the Forerunners. Look at the sunroof. It's sweet. First time I've been to a junkyard since I moved to Montana. That was definitely the most interesting junkyard I've ever been to. What's up, guys? Today is going to be a different type of video. We're going to go to a junkyard. I got a big list of things that I want. Don't have too many things that I really need right now. A couple little things here and there for the Toyota and for Hondas, but we're definitely going to adventure around, see if they got any hidden treasures out there. And yeah, it'll be the first time I've been to a junkyard since I moved to Montana, so it's been over 3 years. And I haven't been in a junkyard in forever. Also, I apologize for my voice. My allergies are killing me alive today with the cottonwood trees. So, yeah, don't mind my annoying voice. But let's get this Toyota on the road. I also have to travel like an hour to get to a junkyard. So, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's not just a trip for nothing. Weather is not looking good. It wasn't supposed to rain out here, but apparently the clouds had a different idea. Fighting like a 50 mile an hour, 60 mile an hour headwind. So this is going to be a fun trip. Alright, the weather's starting to calm down a little bit, so hopefully it gets better the closer we get to the junkyard. Well, we made it. I gotta figure out how to get in this joint. I think this is where the Toyota belongs. JK. Ooh, first treasure. These wheels are sick too. It's a shame that it's sitting here, but nothing's even missing off it. This yard is very hard to navigate because it's legit just a field. It's more of a mom and pop kind of thing. It's just pretty cool. The guy's really cool here. Ooh, first Toyota. This bed is dang near mint. Oh, pretty complete. Minus the hood. Which is probably somewhere around here. Oh, roof is caved in. He said there's a cluster of Toyotas like way back there, but I'm not seeing it yet, so gotta maze our way over. Yeah, didn't even notice I was standing next to one. This one's not bad. See if the seat is any good. No, it's trashed. I want to get a seat for mine because the one in my truck is a Tacoma seat, so it just sits higher and it's kind of uncomfortable. I smack my head off the roof on big bumps because I'm 6 foot tall. But if I can find a good bench seat, then I'll take it. Well, this has good fenders, good hood, slidey rear window, so that's good. And then right behind it we got another blue Toyota. It's like the same exact truck except it's manual. Bucket seat is trashed. Bench seat. Bed is trash. It does have a slidey rear window though, so that's some gold. I would never take the chance of pulling one of them out because I'd be afraid to break it, but I'll have to YouTube it maybe. Ooh, we just realized this is a long bed, so that's kind of rare. Well, not for a 2-wheel drive, but that's pretty nice to have. I mean, it's not even that bad for rust-wise because usually that seam is rotted in half. There's so many clean classic cars here, dude. Like, it's a shame they're sitting here rotting. I mean, what is this? This is the old. I don't even know. I think sweet. They're not that rusty because Montana, we don't get that humidity and we don't salt the roads, so basically everything is solid at the least. It's just paint is baked off of them. Dude, this is so hard to navigate. You'll go down one path and then it's legit a dead end because you can't even squeeze between the vehicles. It's crazy. Straight up hayfield with a bunch of cars in it. That old Nissan hardbody. These are pretty cool. Definitely not as reliable as a Toyota, but louvers alert. Don't know what that is. Don't really feel like dancing over there. That thing's sweet. Check out the cap on that one. Alright, talk about ultimate energy. Have you ever seen this kind of sunroof? What is that? Ooh, spotted another Toyota. Toyota. Someone cut the front clip off this one. Bench seat is shot. I think it's a 4Runner, maybe. Oh, look at here, another Toyota. Let's check this one out. There's so many Toyotas here. Oh. I guess the guy said he was having a problem with some scumbag coming and stealing all the Honda parts, so he just got sick of it and crushed like all of his Hondas, so he only has a few in here, unfortunately. Yeah, this bench seat is whooped too. He's gonna have a nice truck though. Well, that's why it's here. 3 below. I got trucked through this field to get to this, what looks to be like a 4Runner maybe. Can't tell from back there. Shame on me. Definitely not a 4Runner. He did say there's 4Runners up here somewhere though, and I cannot find any. Oh. Maybe over there. I need to check over here first while I'm up here, because he said it was around where these vans were. I'm not seeing any, or by those Suburbans. Oh yeah, want some daisies? Look at them. Fancy. Ooh, I found a CRV. Let's see if it still has a B20 in it. Oh, look at that. Minty. Not really. Oh, there's one of the 4Runners. Now I gotta find out how to get over there. Oh my goodness. I feel like Tarzan or something out here. Oh my goodness. It is confirmed that there's rattlesnakes out here too, so that's fun. Oh man. This side's pretty clean. Oh, it's got one nice bucket. Dude, if I had both buckets, I'd probably try to make them fit in my car. Ooh, some SR5 alloys. Maybe I'll scoop those if anything. Oh, there's the other one. Sweet. Now I found them. Has that got SR5 alloys too? No, those are Steelies. At least that one, maybe it's got a spare on it. No, those are some aftermarket Steelies. Check out this bench though. See how decent it is. Oh, there's another 4Runner. Oh, this actually has SR5s, but it's ripped. That's unfortunate. This one back here's got gold badges. That's pretty cool. I really wish this had both seats. That would be a huge score. These alloys are calling my name right now, though. The SR5s, no center caps, but still worth it. Oh man, it's missing one. Dang it. Maybe we can grab one or two for spares or something, because I have a set. But trunk off another 4Runner. Oh, dude, the center caps are right there. Okay, well, if I can find all 4, that'd be a huge score. It does kind of suck though. None of these vehicles are like off the ground, so I have to find a jack, like a bottle jack, jack this up in like really sketchy soft dirt, and then take the wheel off. So we'll see if we can find a jack somewhere. I can't even open the trunk of this because it's so right up next to that pickup. Ooh, look at this. First gen Eclipse. Throwback. I remember when people liked these things and built them. 4G63. I see an Accord way up there, but there's nothing really valuable I can get off one of them. Now I'm on the hunt for a jack, so I can at least take one wheel for a spare from either set. But you can't even get in the trunks of like any cars because they're right up against something. And it is a pain. I'm not going to crawl through there because a lot of these cars have been sitting for probably like 10-15 years, so they're just disgusting on the inside. I'm not much of a Jeep guy, but this is pretty cool. It's a 2-door Cherokee, and this color means it was a Forest Service vehicle. So it's pretty cool. These are neat, solid axle. I was gonna check for a jack, but I can't even get it open. Oh yeah, the OG Honda Pilot, baby. These things were junk. I think they're technically made by Isuzu, the Isuzu Rodeo. They had a couple other variants of them. This junkyard is just deadly. There's so many bees in these flowers. So if you don't get a snake after you, you just get a swarm of angry bees. So not walking through that way. This is a straight up nightmare to navigate. Literally like climbing over cars and stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get back to the other blue Toyotas that we're at earlier. So once I get over there, I know how to get back. And there's also something I forgot I want to look for on there. It might take a bumper if I have a bumper on there, a spare one. Just in case I hit a deer. We'll see how much it is. They're pretty cheap new, but if it's cheaper here and I just have to unbolt it, then I'll get one here. I'll probably come back another time for those SR5 wheels, or at least one of them. And I'll just bring my own bottle jack. I searched for like a half hour and they're all gone. So people have already used them. Or it's just impossible to even get in the vehicle to check if it had one still, so we'll see. Alright. Found it. No bumper on that one. And then this one is the ugly kind with the caps. So don't want either of these bumpers, but at least I'm getting back to the trail, or at least somewhere close to how I configure my way back. It's kind of a blessing and a curse. It's a pain in the butt because I don't think a lot of people come here. So there's a lot of good parts still on vehicles that have been sitting for like a long time. So this is a good at least scout day, so I know what to come back for. And yeah, a bottle jack at least will make my day better. So I grab them wheels next time, but I am whooped. This bumper is smashed. Yeah, it's not the right one anyways. Wrong ear and dented. I walked right by this one earlier, I think. Maybe. Can't even remember now. Oh dude, the bench seat's actually kind of good, but it's leather. I hate leather. Oh my gosh. Might almost be worth it. Dude, look at the sunroof. It's sweet. Do I get a pleather bench seat, put a seat cover on it, or nah? Oh, I just realized too, this is a four-wheel drive one. I think this is like the first four-wheel drive truck or Toyota I've seen. So this is a good parts rig. Dang it, I just folded it forward and it's broken down there. Here, there, it's missing a bolt. Oh, which is one of these weird bolts. Shoot. Well, and look at, no freaking jack. They're all gone. Dude, I just noticed how mint this tailgate is. It's not bad at all. I might snag this. Yeah, this is pretty nice. There's a little dent down there, but not bad at all. I'll probably snag this just for the heck of it. These are really good to have. It's hard to find in good condition. See if I can take this off. I mean, it's probably not that important, but I don't know how hard these are to find. I just know these tailgates are hard to find in good condition. Sweet. So, we'll keep that. I'm not going to be able to film much more because I'm going to have to haul this on my hike through the jungle. We're on the right track. There's that RX-7. Alright, so that was definitely the most interesting junkyard I've ever been to, and there's still a ton of gold there. So at least I have stuff scoped out now. I've been wanting to go to this junkyard for a long time. I had no idea what to expect, and it was definitely not let down at all. Just a massive pain to navigate through that place. It is crazy. But I'm definitely going to come back for at least one of those SR5 wheels. There's only 3, couldn't find the 4th one. But at least I'll have a spare for my other set of wheels once I get tires on them. And I might debate on coming back for that bench seat, but I'm going to have to find someone to come with me to like carry it, because we're going to have to like carry it over our heads out of the yard. But luckily that truck is pretty close to the the entrance, kind of. So won't be too bad, but I'll probably get that bench seat so I stop banging my head off the ceiling here and put like a cover on it, because I just hate leather. It makes it hot and whatever. But yeah, it was a good experience. And the guy there is super cool. He's actually a Toyota guy, and he likes older Chevys as well. So definitely got along with him. He's really cool. I only paid $50 for that tailgate, so definitely worth it. If you know Toyotas, those old tailgates are like probably at least $300 in that condition. So I'll probably keep this one and sell my other one, because this one it might be a little nicer, I think. I gotta go look when I get home. We'll check when I get back. But I was gonna see if I could go to another junkyard, but everything's closing here soon because it's going on 5 o'clock here, not too long. But I was up there hiking for hours, so yeah. But at least we know what to expect next time. And unfortunately, not a lot of Hondas. But like I said, that guy just got so ticked at some dirtbag going there and stealing parts off the Hondas all the time, so he legit just took them all to the crusher. So Honda boys giving Honda enthusiasts bad names and ruining it for the rest of us, unfortunately. Anyways, let's see if we can make it home now. Well, I made it back just in time, I guess. Yeah, another good road trip in the old 22R Beast junkyard truck. Honestly impressed with it. I want to see which one is in better condition. Now that my tire fell on it, but let's see which one is in better condition. I got my blue one over there tucked away. I just realized this is a totally different tailgate. I don't know what difference in year. I'm assuming it's the same body style. It's just probably like a change in the year, because look at the font. But yeah, this one is pretty good. It's just got rust on the corner. It's got a dent there. This one's cleaner rust wise, just has a dent right here. So I don't know, good find. Maybe I'll probably sell that one. I like the brown. It'll just be a wall hanger if I ever get like a late 70s or early 80s pickup. I'll actually have a tailgate for it, because they're kind of hard to find. Also 3-bolt, 2-bolt hinge. So I don't know, if you know the difference, let me know in the comments. I'm not too familiar with the older trucks than I am with these ones. Anyways, that was definitely a sweet experience out there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I was glad to bring you guys along with my first junkyard exploration in Montana. So pretty cool. Definitely a lot of cool trucks there, a lot of cool cars, a lot of gold, hidden gold out there, which is super cool to still find once in a while. If you did like this video, leave a like. If you do want to see more of these, I'll try to do more, try to find more junkyards where I'm allowed to go into the yard instead of the ones that just pull parts for you, because those are kind of just boring anyways. And they're outrageously priced. Some places you can buy the part basically new for the same price they charge for a used part. It's really dumb. But this guy, his prices were definitely cool. The guy was cool, like a mom and pop thing. So it was 10 out of 10. Super cool experience. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with all the builds and the projects. We got some cool stuff coming up here soon, hopefully, so stay tuned for that. And follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, if you want to see more content on there, sneak peeks, and a chance to win small little prizes. I do little giveaways once in a while. I got to do one here soon because it's been a while, but I do it with subscribers on YouTube and Instagram, so you got to be on both of them. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.